insight in how we can create a better future for humanity.
Join us as we honor Dr. Henry Louis Gates, Jr. and his monumental contributions to our national dialogue on race relations, African American history, and our shared culture.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of New Jersey beginning at 12:50 a.m. and ending at 2:50 a.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
MacArthur Genius Grant and a National Humanities Medal. He's also been awarded 55 honorary degrees and was named one of Time magazine's 25 most influential Americans. In this